Friends, this is Shiv Prakash, and I am here with the third lesson of Beehive, the Little Girl. It is written by Catherine Mansfield. The lesson shows relationship between the parents and the children. In this economic world, parents are busy earning money and they don't get time for their family. The same family for whom they earn and they don't get time to spend with the family. This is the main reason behind the distance between the parents and the children. Yes, we must spend time with the family, and the lesson shows the same thing. The story is about a little girl, Kezia, who fears a lot to her father. When her father is at home, she is fear stricken, she is terrified, and she never goes before him. She thinks that he has a giant face, giant hand, and totally you can say that she resembles him like a giant. She always think him to be a giant who never talks and always scold everyone and busy in his own world. So whenever she hears that her father is going somewhere, she becomes happy, and when her father arrives at home, she becomes terrified. Whenever her father came, she was asked to remove his shoes. So she thought him to be giant, and when she went there in front of him, she always stammered, and on that she was always scolded. On Sundays, when it is holiday for all, her grandmother asked to talk to her father and mother. Whenever she went down the stairs, she found that her mother was reading magazines or newspaper, and her father was sleeping soundly on the sofa. It was the occasion of the birthday of her father. So her grandmother asked that prepare something as a birthday gift for your father. She had an idea to make a pin cushion. So she made all preparation, and after that she had to fill it with papers, with the pieces of papers. So she had to find some papers, and in her father's bedroom she found that these papers were important for her father, and she tore it. So her father punished her brutally. She was crying bitterly after that. Her grandmother cuddled her and said that to be silent. But she always thought that her father was a cruel person. Hence gaps, she saw her neighbor Mr. MacDonald was playing with his 5 children. Little Mau was hanging on the one pocket of his coat. On seeing that, she thought that there must have been a different kind of fathers. His father is not like McDonald's, who always play with his children. After that, Once her mother fell ill and her grandmother had to be with her in the hospital. She was alone at home and she had to be with her father. In the night, she had a nightmare that she usually had, that a butcher was chasing her with a knife and she was not able to run. So she cried bitterly, and on hearing the cry, her father went there and brought her in his bedroom and asked her to sleep next to him. She was terrified, but what she could do, and she slept there. She again had the same nightmare and cried. Her father cuddled her and said that sleep now. Then she thought that her father is not as cruel as she think. Also becomes tired and he also needs some care because he is always busy in work and no one is there to care about him. So at last she thought about it that he also needs care and he has a soft corner in the heart. He is busy, so he has no time, and that's how she understood about it. So, students, this is how the story ends, and she finally understood that her father is a busy doing the survival, doing for the survival, and he also needs a kind of care which he never gets. So you must learn that your father must need care. So students, I think you have learnt a lot from the story about your father and whoever is there earning in your family. Thank you.